The first line of the input consists of an integer number of chemistry representing the number of chemicals. Okay. First you can take size of the array, that means size of the chemicals. The second line consists of n space separated integers, that means enter 1, enter 2, 2, 3, 4, and so on, up to n chemicals. Output format is print an integer representing the total energy produced by the chemicals when the reaction happens. This is the program requirement. Size is 7. You can take the 7 elements, then output is 19. Why it is 19 means, in science research lab, combining two nuclear chemicals produces a maximum energy, that the product of the energy of the two chemicals. To produce a new energy, highest energy, if you want to create highest energy, then you can add the two highest chemicals. అంటే హైయెస్ట్ కెమికల్స్ని యాడ్ చేసి, టూ హైయెస్ట్ కెమికల్స్ని యాడ్ చేసి మనం ఒక న్యూ ఎనర్జీని క్రియేట్ చేయమన్నాడు. ఇన్ దీస్ హైయెస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఫస్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ ఈస్ 10 is the first highest. In these values, first highest is 10 is the highest value. Second highest is 19. That's why 10 plus 9 is 19. That's why we can find out the two highest energies and add that energies, then create a new energy. Import java dot util dot star. You can take the scanner class. Scanner s equals to new scanner of system dot in. Okay. Then you can take the first size of the array, n equals to sc dot next int of. Then you can create the array int f equals to new int of n. Then you can read the elements of the array. For int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Then a of I equals to sc dot next int of. After that, we can find the highest element and second highest element. Then you can sort the elements. If you want to sort the elements, arrays dot sort of a. Then system dot out dot println. What is the highest element? Last position. What is the last position? A of minus n minus 1 plus a of n minus 2. That's all. Okay. Everything is working. First you can sort the elements. After that you can check the first highest element in last position. Last position must be n minus 1. Last but 1 is second highest element. That's all.